Once you have already registered and joined the class, you're going to see this homepage. This is the homepage for a Blended 7 class. You can see the class code that was given to you when you paid, and it was given in the Colombo receipt, right? Well, to start working on the platform, you need to click on Content. When you click on Content, you're going to see a different menu. It includes course, workbook, games, reviews, video activities, and tests. And you can also see a list of all the 12 units included in each book. Now, it's important to clarify that here at the Colombo, every book has 12 units, but in every course we study 4 units. It means that in Blended 7, Unit 1, 2, 3, and 4 will be covered. But then Unit 5, 6, 7, and 8 will be covered in Blended 8. And the last 4 units will be covered in Blended 9. To start working on the course, it is important to clarify that we have 2 main sections, the course and workbook. These are the 2 most important sections. Games, reviews, video activities, and tests are open because they are optional. If you want and you have some time, you can work on them, but they are not mandatory. What is mandatory is for you to use the option course in preparation for your class. So how do you use the course? Basically, you click there and you click on show all in the unit that you want to work on. In this case, it's unit number 1. After that, you're going to start clicking on each of the activities. So you click there and then click on the activity. A new window will open and you will see the activities. This is basically information. But if you click on the next, on the arrow to the right, you'll be able to start working on the different activities included in the book. Now, something really important is to read the instructions. Every activity is numbered and it has a clear instruction. Please read the instruction and follow it. Let's do the exercise. Listen and read. Complete the sentences using the adjectives in the box. Select new words for help with the new vocabulary. As we see in this activity, we need to listen, we need to read, and we need to complete the sentences using the adjectives in the box. So let's do it. Well, we listened, we read, and we completed the sentences with the adjectives in the box. Now I am going to click on check answers to see my score. Okay, so everything was great. I got 4 correct answers out of 4. Great job. And now I'm going to click on OK and I'm going to go to the next activity. So I click on the circle with the arrow to the right. This will take me to the next activity. This is about lesson A. Sometimes I have to do actually something. Sometimes I just need to read. And I click and I keep clicking on the arrow to go to the next activity. Basically, this is the way in which activities should be completed on the Cambridge LMS. It is not very complicated. Now, I'm going to go out of this tab to show you how to use it. Well, before our face-to-face class, you need to work on the activities presented in the course. Okay? For this first day of class, well, the second day of class actually, we need to complete the activities for the unit aims before you begin lesson A and lesson B. So only for this time, we're gonna complete these activities. But then after we understand how to use the platform, we're gonna complete one unit per week. Okay, first we're just familiarizing. Now if you can see your own score on the side so that you can see how much progress you have made and what things you are missing. Then on Thursday, we're going to have our face-to-face class. We're going to practice and speak a lot using the grammar and vocabulary from this unit. Now, after that, after our face-to-face class, you're expected to complete the activities from the workbook. So you can click there and do exactly the same. Go to the unit, show all, click on the lesson that you want to practice, and you will see that there are fewer activities in this tool, because the idea is that you can practice and mechanize something that you already know, that you should have already studied. So these activities are easier and faster. The idea is that you spend about 1 hour completing the workbook after class. But before the next session, you can complete all the activities from the course that were assigned. In the blended program, you are expected to spend 12 hours of autonomous work. It means you need to divide your time and to dedicate enough time every day to work on the activities little by little. Please don't complete all the activities from the course only on one day, because that wouldn't make it effective, but devote time every day so that you get enough opportunities to practice. Basically, that's the way our platform works. These are the two most important tools. The others are optional. Now, in class, we're gonna use sometimes the class tools. They are the forum or the blog. Especially sometimes we use the wiki as well for you to write or to record your voice and participate in conversations. But those activities will be indicated by the teacher during the class time. Well, I hope this mini tutorial, improvised tutorial, was useful, and I hope to see you in class soon. Bye.